All right, today is day 48 of my 100 days of Keto Chow. Had a pretty fun weekend. We did the meetup here on Friday. No, Saturday. It's been a long weekend. Did the meetup here on Saturday. I didn't eat any of the food, but it looked fantastic. I did make Keto Chow savory chicken soup biscuits. Hey, how's it going, man?
Good. Yep. What you
Doing okay. I'm just shooting a video. It's our UPS driver, but you can't see him.
I'm camouflaged.
Yeah, you are. Anyway, he's probably bringing the editing machine that I ordered a long time ago, and it's finally here, I believe. The tracking says it weighs 70 pounds. Whatever. Okay, so I made some of the savory chicken soup biscuits. I did taste them, but I spit it out because, only Keto Chow, which is kind of funny because there was mostly just Keto Chow in there along with almond flour. Whatever. Yesterday, we had my parents come over, and we did keto lasagna, peace, love, and low carbs. Better than the real thing, or as good as the real thing, something like that. Anyway, so we did that, and it was absolutely fantastic. One of my daughters ate 3 pieces, like a quarter of a lasagna all by herself, we did 2 lasagnas with, 2 pans with 2 small pans. Yeah, anyway, it was pretty epic, but we took the recipe. Here's a better way. We took the recipe for the lasagna and we octupled it. Right, Holly?
Should I come people headed?
Oh, you're very there. You go. And so we made a lot of lasagna. It was pretty awesome. It smelled really good. I didn't have any of it. I drank I had vanilla Keto Chow with OOOflavors.com, one-on-one-flavors.com flavoring in it. I think it was, if I remember correctly, I had the Fuji apple flavor in my vanilla Keto Chow. It's pretty good. Anyway, so today I got a bunch of stuff going on. I decided I needed to do this relatively early, because there's a lot of stuff going on. I migrated the blog over to a new hosting provider, trying to get that to go a lot faster. It's actually looking pretty good so far. And then I also switched our email provider over to G Suite. It's been a crazy weekend. So anyway, I got a ton of stuff to do. So yeah. Weight-wise, people keep asking this and I keep forgetting to put it on there. If I remember correctly, I am now down 24.5 pounds since the 48-day challenge started. So that's about half a pound a day. That's actually pretty crazy. And it's not linear. It's not like it's just a constant thing going down. It's a coming down and then stop, and then a little up and then down, and then stop and then down and then up and then down. That's just how weight loss is. So, but it is interesting that it's an average of about half a pound a day. We'll see how well that keeps going. Anyway, yeah, I'll catch you on day 49. Ooh, almost at the halfway point. See you later.